Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. You guys, did y'all get the joke or did you not get the joke, you guys? Aibo. Now, when uMakhwela was bringing uLokuzana, when uMusa was bringing uMakhwela to uMacele asked a question, though they were joking, or at least they were laughing. Alazi ukuthi if uMusa was joking or not. But uMacele asked uMusa ukuthi owokugcina na lona, like, is this the lost wife that you're bringing? And then uMusa ahleke and is like, cha. And then umama ke uMacele just says okay, and then kuhlekwe. Hey, bo, I was just like, guys, I know giyahlekwa, but Mina, I don't take Musa's jokes lightly, you guys, because I feel like you could have like at the moment, at that time, it was happy, jolly, like you could have just easily said no. Would he like, I'm not going to take another one. Just, just for the moment, because the vibes were there. uMacele was happy for this one. But for the fact that he's saying, Wuti, like, and he's laughing over it, guys. Now I don't think Wuti, this guy, I don't think this man, uMusa, is closing ngoMakhwela, guys. He's never said it. I don't recall him ever saying uthathu number 6 and number 6 uyavala ngaye. I don't remember that. Now, the thing in Agayo is that uMacele, it's like she knows herself. It's like she knows her husband and she knows her husband wakhe akagcini ngoMakhwela, because she goes out on a date with uNwandle, right? And then she has the conversation noNwandle about, remember uNwandle in Izingane Zesithembu, you went out noMakhumalo, you guys, and uMakhumalo was having a conversation with uNwandle about that indaba the boy guy or the boy children, which was uNwandle noMpumelelo taking care of household. Now we know the previous season, guys, uMacele made it clear akafuni ngoNwandle wakhe. She doesn't want uNwandle to have responsibilities of taking care of other people's household. She doesn't want that. And uMacele was saying to uNwandle that she finds it kind of inappropriate in a sense that they even had that conversation. Guys, that's a different conversation, because abanye abantu were like, vele uMakhumalo why uzoxoxa indaba ezinjalo nengane, because she should have xoxade noMusa. uNwandle ungenaphi ukuthi he's responsible. Hey, let's leave that. But anyway, uMacele, as she's talking about that with uNwandle, she says ukuthi uyamazi ubaba wakho ukuthi usazothatha, so lo asazomthatha uzozala ezinye ingane, and maybe those ngane, maybe they will be the ones responsible for other women's houses. But my children or my son, I don't want him to be responsible in other people's houses. I'm just like, and she's having a serious conversation, but she's making an example with the fact that her husband is still going to take other wives. Bamzalele. I'm just like, guys, like, what did they put themselves through, these women? Maybe because of his age and because of his health, maybe uMakhwela, but I don't see it happening, you guys. This man still feels as if he's on top of the world, and now uKonya yi2K, not even uKonya, like, according to them, 2K agreed to marry him. He must be feeling on top of the world. Ingati, he still has amandla to continue jollaring and doing things. I'm just like, where Musa? Anikhathalini, anisabi izinto, cause abantu bahamba ngezinto la ngaphandle nihambe nitopha abantu nje. Hey guys, all the best to them. But uMakhwela, guys, she knows what she got herself into. And I mean, if you're going to get into a situation like this, at least be open-minded that there's a possibility that he might even take another woman. Even if he doesn't take another woman, guys, I don't see uMusa stopping his jollaring things on the side, because this man still seems in his head, he still thinks which is about Mpumelelo's age, still charming woman. And maybe he really is, because I mean, what is a Makhwela age girl or Makhwela type of girl at that age doing with a man like that? Do you get what I'm saying? Anyway, guys, you tell me your analysis on this. Do you really think Uguti, like, it was really just a joke between uMacele and uMusa about taking another woman? Or do you think Uguti, he doesn't have the energy to take another woman? Anyway, let's park it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. Guys, please do make sure you watch the ads. That is just your way of showing support towards the channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.